The OMNI Plus front panel is divided in 3 parts, from the bottom to the top. At the bottom are located 3 load cells from the left to the right side. The left load cell with a maximum of 2 bags of 5 liters, the middle load cell with a maximum of 2 bags of 7 liters, the right load cell with a maximum of 2 bags of 5 liters. A little bit upper is located a large manifold that includes from the left to the right side the blood pump, the citrate pump, the safety air detector, the safety venous clamp, the blood chambers level detectors, the 2 kit locking system, the arterial pressure sensor, the pre-filter pressure sensor, the venous pressure sensor, the heparin pump for heparin anticoagulation, the calcium pump for citrate anticoagulation, the kit latch, the calcium air detector, the effluent pump, the dialysate pump, post-dilution, the substitution pump, pre-dilution, the blood leak detector, the 3-way clamp, the solution chamber level detector, the barcode scanner, the solution pressure sensor, the effluent pressure sensor. At the back side of the OMNI Plus is located the warmer. Below is located a wide bandeau with from the left to the right side, the USB port used only for service, the staff call port, the data port, the battery charge indicator, the potential equalization bulb, the main inlet, the standby switch. Below the wide bandeau are located 2 fans, the base caster with fluid leakage detector, After switching on the OMNI Plus, the start screen appears including 5 icons: treatment, history, date and time settings, unload kit, switch off. Press treatment icon to go through the 7 steps of the installation. Scan the OMNI set will appear. Make sure the kit pouch is intact and appropriate to the therapy prescribed. Hold the kit pouch and align the red cross point to the scanner over the center of the barcode of the pouch. The screen displays all the specifications of the OMNI set. If correct, press Next. The second of the 7 steps for the preparation is to select the therapy and anticoagulation mode. Select the therapy mode, here CVV-HDF, the dilution type, here post-dilution, and the anticoagulation method, here heparin. Press Confirm if the selection is appropriate, or press Cancel if the displayed options are not according to the prescribed treatment. A new screen pops up, showing that a self-test is running. Don't install any set or solution during these 30 sec. Audible alarms and blinking status lights are active during the test. If self-test is successful, the next screen will show how to install the OMNI set. Open the blood side door. Open the fluid side door. Hold the kit with blood lines on the left side. Place the bottom of the set into the slot above the front handle. Fix it onto the front panel, using the latch at the top. Make sure no lines are stuck between the kit and the machine. Press firmly the right wing side onto the white locks until you hear the locking mechanism. Then, close the fluid side door. Press firmly the left wing side onto the white locks until you hear the locking mechanism. Then, close the blood side door. Make sure that upper and lower locks are correctly engaged. Open the warmer door at the back side of the OMNI Plus. There are 2 hooks and 2 pins inside the plate of the warmer. Ensure correct orientation of the warmer bag. The shorter line is positioned at the top and the longer line at the bottom. The top text on the warmer bag indicates the proper orientation. Attach the warmer bag to the 2 hooks, and then stretch the bag to fix it on the 2 pins on the left side of the plate. Lock firmly the warmer door, and be sure you hear the locking mechanism. Connect pressure lines from the blood side to the fluid side. Take the red pressure line, remove the cap, and attach it to the red arterial connector, AP, on the machine. Take the white pressure line, remove the cap, and attach it to the white pre-filter connector, FP, on the machine. Take the blue pressure line, remove the cap, and attach it to the blue venous connector on the machine. Take the yellow pressure line, remove the cap, and attach it to the yellow effluent connector, EP, on the machine. Take the green pressure line, remove the cap, and attach it to the green solution connector, SP, on the machine. Press syringe type and then select the correct size. Here Omnifix 50 milliliters. Press filled volume so that the numeric pad pops up. Enter the volume of the syringe filled with heparin, then press Done. Open the unlocking lever and the syringe holder. Remove the cap from the heparin line and connect it to the heparin syringe. Insert the syringe piston plate in the clip and the gripping plate in the slot. Close the unlocking lever and the syringe holder. Make sure the clamp on the heparin line is open. Press the load button, wait, and then check if all tube segments have been correctly inserted. Check if all activities are ticked on the main screen. Press Next. The next screen will explain how to install all the bags following the therapy selected. On the top right side, you can see the IV pole. Hang the 2 liters priming waste bag to the IV pole of the machine, connect the venous line, and close the unused clamp. The right load cell is just below, where you can hang up to 2 bags of 5 liters dialysate solution at the same time. Hang 1 or 2 bags of 5 liters dialysate solution on the right load cell, remove the caps, and connect the green lines to the dialysate bags. Secure dialysate line into the line holder. When placing 2 bags on either the right or left load cell, ensure that the line comes up between the 2 bags. This positioning is required so that the line is covered by the leakage sensor in case of any leakage. Clamp the unused line if necessary. Break the frangible pin inside the bag's outlet. In the middle of the Omniplus, you have the center load cell, where you can hang up 2 bags, 7 liters each. Hang 1 or 2 effluent bags. Make sure that the inlet is on the right side of the bag. Connect effluent line to bag. Close the drainage outlet. Secure the effluent line to the line holder. Select 1 or 2 effluent bags on screen. Connect the red arterial line to 1 liter saline solution and hang it on the center load cell. On the left side, you have the load cell for substitution solutions. Hang 1 or 2 bags of 5 liters of substitution solution on the left load cell. Remove cap of the bag and connect the purple substitution line to the substitution bag. Clamp the unused line if necessary. Secure the substitution line to the line holder. Break the frangible pin inside the bag's outlet. Now, you have a full view of the Omniset, syringe, and solutions installed onto the Omniplus. Press Next.